Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into an exciting tool for photographers and photo enthusiasts alike. Radiant Photo by Radiant Imaging Labs. If you're looking to elevate your photo editing game with ease and precision, this could be the software you've been waiting for. Getting started with Radiant Photo. Radiant Photo is all about delivering superior photo quality with minimal effort. It harnesses the power of AI to recognize and enhance your images intelligently. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Radiant Photo offers something for everyone. Key features explained. Smart AI. The AI technology behind Radiant Photo analyzes your photos and suggests optimal enhancements automatically. What's great is that you retain full control. You can adjust settings manually right on your device without relying on cloud services. Perfect color rendering. Say goodbye to dull colors and pesky color casts. Radiant Photo ensures that your photos' colors are vivid and true to life, just as you remember them when you took the shot. Efficiency. Intelligent sliders make quick work of optimizing your images. This means you spend less time tweaking and more time capturing moments. Versatility across devices. Whether you prefer working on your computer or editing on the go with your mobile device, Radiant Photo has you covered. It's available as a standalone application, a plugin for popular software like Photoshop and Lightroom, and even as a mobile app. This flexibility ensures that you can edit your photos seamlessly across different platforms. Personalization and control. Radiant Photo isn't just about automation, it's also about personalization. You can choose between simple mode, where basic edits are handled effortlessly with minimal input, or dive into advanced mode for complete control over every aspect of your image. The AI guides you through the process without overwhelming you, making it accessible for all skill levels. Whether you're editing a single photo or batch processing hundreds, Radiant Photo stands out for its speed, accuracy, and intuitive user experience. If you're ready to take your photos from good to great without a steep learning curve, I highly recommend giving Radiant Photo a try. Try it yourself. Radiant Imaging Labs offers a 30-day free trial with no payment details required, so you can explore all that Radiant Photo has to offer risk-free. Check out the link in the description below to start your free trial today. Be sure to visit our site, where we have collected thousands of services that use artificial intelligence, including alternatives to the hero of our today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and reviews on photography tools like Radiant Photo. Happy editing!